up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on those platforms so you can just, see what I'm doing and what I'm posting and everything. But I am so excited. Ooh, we finally finished Baddies and Budget's 20 envelope challenge. And this is like my first challenge that I've actually completed on this channel. I know, exciting, huh? So I'm so excited because it really helped motivate me to keep going, So we're just going to be unstuffing everything. And it's 20 envelopes. This one is a lot more easier than, say, the 100 envelope challenge. That one is a bit more challenging. Like me, it's going to take me probably the full year to really finish that challenge because it is so challenging. And a lot of people who do complete it, I mean, it's a big win because if you try to do it yourself, you will see how hard it is to like complete that challenge. Like, it is not easy. It's not for the faint of heart. Like, some people can probably do it, but not a lot of people can because it is super hard. And I'm hoping that I can complete that challenge. And then we will count this up. And then we will probably do it again. Because these are reusable, so I'm definitely going to be reusing these. It's like a sense of accomplishment for real. To be able to complete a challenge and unstuff it. And then you can be like, okay, I could put this here, I could put this here. Or you could even use this challenge to save up for like a trip. Like, some of this will be going to my vacation. Because I know I need to save up for my vacation. So that's also important too. But starting off small, like with this 20 envelope challenge, it's like you want to do it again. You want to do it over and over again because you finally completed it. So that, I'm so excited. Hey guys, I'm definitely gonna do this challenge again because I had so much fun doing this. So we are going to put this in what I've been using, my 100 envelope box. And put that right there. Because you see, like, yeah, these are 20 envelopes, but these are 100. So this is like 1/3 of it, but I'm so excited too. So we're going to be focused on that too. But those are higher numbers, you know. Alrighty. They're kind of crinkly, but because I'm kind of like, should I press them out just to make them straight? But I know some of these will be going towards my travel, so even if you want to, you can, because it's really my money. It's my money. It's when you complete the 20 envelope challenge, it's really like what you want to do with it. If you want this to go towards debt and you want to pay down a credit card, you can do that. Like, I would say this is money you've saved up, and you can do that, whatever you want to do. And I'm so excited, mostly because it's my first challenge that I've completed, and maybe some people are like that too, where they can only like complete these smaller challenges. Like, every small thing does add up, because you could either use a 20 envelope challenge and put it back into like the other challenge envelopes. But we'll see. Like, I don't know. Like, I haven't really thought about it. Like, I've thought about it, girl. It's like, I've thought about what I'm going to do. I know some of this has to go towards my trip. But it's like, when the money's in front of you, it's like, oh, you can cash stuff so much other stuff too. I could probably put some in my emergency fund, because I'm building that up. It's like, and I can do like, so I'll be going to my travel. I'm definitely gonna probably end up pressing these out, because that's just how I am. I like it to lay flat. Flat. Like, I'm trying to put them, but they're like curling. It's like, the ones. Like it's so crinkly. This is so exciting. I'll take out my little blinged out calculator. And we are going to count. It's not a lot, but, well, it might be a lot to some people, you know. Like, I'm just so extra. I know. Okay, so might be a little bit more because I was like stuffing 20s and stuff in there and like whole dollars, but we'll see. So we have 2, 4, 6, 80. $15, $20, $25, $30, $35. Got some ones. Got a lot of ones. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It keeps wanting to fold. Jesus. I'm like, oh, hold on. So we're at 185. Let me try to like make them a little bit more straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we have a total of $216 saved with the 100 envelope, Jesus, with the 20 envelope challenge. Yay! I feel like that's so good. So $216 that you could basically like just, you know, do whatever you want to do with it. If you want to go ahead and go pay some debt, go pay off a credit card, so you ain't got to worry about that little balance, you know, that little $30, $25 a month coming at you. Like, you ain't got to worry about it. But I already know my trick. So it's like, it's not as thick as the 100 envelope challenge, but it is something. And I feel so grateful and so just really, really grateful that I was able to do this 20 envelope challenge. And don't forget to hit my link down below if you want to go ahead and grab your 20 envelope challenge with the whole envelopes and the savings challenge book. Because, I mean, that's $200 and some dollars that I can just do whatever I need to do. So, with this, I already know I have to be paying $87 out of my paycheck for a trip. So, so I'm just gonna, yeah, I guess I'll do that in the other video because this video was already kind of long. So, yes, and in the next video, you're gonna see what I do with what I, you know, basically, what I do with my 20 envelope challenge money. And we'll go from there, you guys. Because I might, like, as much as it sucks to say, but I was like, this might have to go towards my debt. Like, $87 would go towards my travel. And the rest out of here will go towards a credit card. Because I do need to pay off debt and all that jazz. So, I think that's what we're going to do. Yep. Put some money to the side for travel, and then we're going to pay off a credit card. So, all right, you guys, here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time. And I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so happy that I finally finished my first challenge on this channel. Oh, it feels great. So I will leave y'all to it, and please hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Yeah.